with increasingly strong infrastructure, Hong Kong is one of the most important gateways for global investors to gain access to the thematic growth opportunities offered by the mainland and the region. Hong Kong is also one of the most important stages for the mainland companies to showcase in the global financial markets. We do believe in the future, Hong Kong will continue to grow as a regional and global superconnector of capital, and Hong Kong's growth as a superconnector will contribute to the overall growth of the region. Number one thing is that GBA is one of the most important area that hosting a large amount of vibrant companies that are super experienced in both innovation as well as delivering the top class products to the world. And GBA also has Hong Kong, which is one of the leading financial centers in the world. So when you put technology, manufacturing, finance together, this will create an ecosystem to drive the growth further. And as we know, Hong Kong is also determined to develop as an innovation center, the center for IP right exchange, as well as its traditional role as financial center, asset management center, also aviation center. All of these international center roles will work very well to help Hong Kong to integrate with the GBA area, therefore as a whole grow strongly ahead.